this is what we ordered. We ordered two Whoppers. We ordered two Whoppers, two small fries, and we got an 8-piece nuggets. Oh, that nuggets look crispy. Let's see what it turned out to be. Let's see. Alright, this is the Whoppers that we ordered. I usually get my Whopper with no lettuce, no tomatoes, and stuff like that, you know, because why not? You want to try the burger the way it is. You want to see how juicy the burger is. I don't want no veggie burger. Wow.
Taste test.
Well, I gotta say,
yo, my elbow. What the hell was on my elbow?
I want to see how the fries is gonna hit. I mean, the nuggets.
Delicioso.
Oh, delicioso.
The fries is crispy. The fries is good. All good. The fries is good. These are the fries.
Oh, my burger.
Oh my god. The burger's good. It's not as juicy as it was when I first came here. But if I was to give the burger 1 through 10, I'd say probably an 8. The burger's good. The fries is
Okay, try nugget. I hope the nuggets are good.
These are the nuggets. So what the nugget look like? Try with some ketchup.
How you like that?
Oh, this is a solid 9.
Ah!
I have to come back and eat this again. Oh man.
I told you.
Baby, you busting down that food. It must be good, huh?
This was good.
How's the fries?
Good?
The fries is hitting.
I can't give a review because I eat here all the time.
Oh. Look at that. Oh my god. You just dipped it in there. How the fries taste?
Good.
Alright. So we just finished having Burger King and that Burger King was amazing. I mean, the burger was okay this time. Probably because I didn't have the mayonnaise and ketchup on it like I usually have it. I just had ketchup, so. But the place, I would give it a solid 9.7 out of 10.
Compared to the other Burger King.
Yeah, 9.7 out of 10.
This one was good all the time.
Yeah. Each time we came here, it's been hitting, so I gotta give it a solid 9.7. What do you think?
For fast food, I would say 10 out of 10 for me. Every single time it's been good. I haven't had no complaint. Okay, everyone. So we just came from Burger King. It's the same day. We said we wasn't gonna do a review, but we are. And we're gonna try the Blizzard of the Month at Dairy Queen.
Yeah. You know, somebody told me to try the Reese's one. I have not tried the Reese's ice cream too, so I'm gonna try the Reese's Blizzard from Dairy Queen.
And month is the caramel fudge cheesecake. He doesn't like caramel, but he's still gonna try it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little taste and see how that tastes. Let's see how that tastes.
Try it. I'll try this one first.
Have you tried the Reese's one?
No, I think my dad just always gets it. Okay, feed me.
I like all of it.
That's good. Try this one. That one's good.
Oh. Oh.
That one was good. Okay. Let me try this one. You try that one. That's like a classic Reese's.
No. Not to compare to that one. I'm sorry.
But I need like chocolate and caramel too.
That one was good. When you gave me a caramel with chocolate with it, that was good. I don't like caramel, but that was pretty good. But he added some other stuff in there. I don't know if it's like bread or whatever.
Graham cracker. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake?
Cheesecake graham pieces.
Like graham crackers or something like that? Like, okay.
This one's okay. For me, it's the caramel is really strong.
This one's pretty good. This is just a small.
Oh, you didn't get mini?
No, this is a small.
You should have got mini.
The mini is like this size.
Yeah, because we were just trying it.
I don't even think they had any more minis because I asked him if he had like a mini size. He said it was the smallest one. So I'm like, okay. It wasn't bad for the price either.
How much was it?
Everything came up to $11.49.
All right. 1 at a time.
Yes. I think this is 8. It's
8?
classic Reese's.
That's what I said. So for classic, you know, just classic Reese's, I'll say 5. That's right in the middle. Classic, not bad, not great. 5. This one,
I feel like they should have did more with that one though.
this was like a 4, to be honest. The caramel to me tastes like that.
Like knockoff caramel.
Yes.
What you expect? They don't want to be sued. It's Dairy Queen. But you come to Dairy Queen for the ice cream and stuff like that. So
It tastes like the caramel that would be like in those Easter candies. Have you ever had Easter candy that has caramel in it?
No.
It tastes like that. Like cheap caramel. This is cold as hell.
It is cold. It is melting because of the sun.
Alright, we're gonna go to the store. Did they give you a receipt?
No.
Okay.
Wait, what did I receive?
Yeah, I could just take that part.
Hey, just take the whole cup.
That's the bad.
Just save it. Oh my god. We gotta tell y'all about the movies we saw. And what movie was better. And what movie we recommend for y'all to watch.
We saw 3.
And what movie we recommend to not watch. So, next time we do that, we're gonna give a review before the movie.
Or we could tell them about the movie we watched now.
Yeah, we could do that. But, you know, next time we could give them a review about what movie we're about to
Whatever
watch.
movie we watched recently.
We watched Saw, Saw X. We watched The Nun 2, and we watched The Exorcist Believer. But overall, if I was to rate them 1 to 3 for all 3 of the movies we saw, Saw
No
10.
1 out of 10.
Saw 10 that's an automatically 10.
Saw 10, 10 out of 10.
That was a 10. The Nun 2, I gotta give that an 8.5. And The Exorcist Believer, I gotta give that a 5. It wasn't that scary. I had one
I would say a 3 or 4. It was like okay. It was kind of boring, to be honest.
The story.